Hello. Yes, good morning. This is Harmohan Singh Batra again with you. Last time we had a discussion about signature with a new way of analysis. I hope those who have viewed it must have understood. But still, if they have any queries or any question or any doubt, they can post me their doubt and will be answered promptly, or they can call me. That's not issue. Today we'll be discussing a new method again on signature only. I am basically working on signature, this new method, just to make it that people should understand the value of practicing correct signature, the importance of practicing correct signature. That is why I am giving a different way of analyzing signature. Today I have defined signature in a different way, so that people can understand better way the importance of their signature in their life and in their daily routine. Signature is having, last time as we discussed, surname, father name or initial, self name or initial. Now I'll be defining all the three in a different way so that people can understand importance of their signature. Surname, as we discussed last time, first alphabet denotes a female energy, that is emotional energy, and the other alphabets of surname, remaining alphabets of surname, is denoting profession as well as sibling. So ability of profession and relations with sibling. That means we can define this as a product. So surname becomes product. If we have a good product, or if we know positivity, good things about our product, every product is having some sort of uniqueness. Every person is also having some uniqueness, but we never make efforts to understand that uniqueness which nature has given to everyone. Same way, every product is created with some uniqueness, and one should know the uniqueness of the product. Accordingly, he will be successful in that area. As it is emotional part with profession and sibling relation, so this is the only area which will help us to establish ourselves. At least people should understand this. That is why we named it as a product. Second part, father, is a male energy. That we name it as support. That means male energy is action energy. To encash or to get benefit out of product, one always need actional support from self as well as surrounding, so that a smooth flow of life with the product, that means in profession area as well as in sibling area, emotional support will be much smoother in the life. So this male support is will help us for our actional plan to get full benefit of the product. If these two things are perfectly working, then I can name or label self name as beneficiary. If both the things, that is product and support, is good, if product is properly managed and we are getting full support, so naturally it will be benefiting us only. That is why self name or initial becomes beneficiary. Hence, now at least you can understand the importance of correct signature in everybody's life. So people should give respect to their signature. They should write it properly, that which we'll be covering in a later part of our program. They should respect their signature, so that a respected life and the return of not requirement but the ability is expected. Ability, everybody is given by nature some sort of specific ability, but we never try to understand what nature has given us. I'll still request people to work on that, what natural ability they have, and use that natural ability in the product, so that support and benefits are of ability, not of requirement. There is a quite difference of ability and the requirement. So better to work for ability. Requirement is almost automatically covered. Then further balancing of whole signature as well as product, that will be discussed. Balancing of elements. Balancing of elements will be further discussed in due course. We'll be discussing about balancing of elements in product as well as in full signature. That will be later part. Now we'll give some detail about every part. Surname, already we had a discussion that first part, first alphabet being a female part, so emotional area is covered, and other alphabets becoming profession and sibling. So this is a perfect definition of product. Hence we named it as a product. Emotion is also covered, profession area and sibling relation is also covered. That, and this is the only item, this is the only thing which help us. If we take law graphology rules, this is the only tool which help us to grow in our life and encash our ability. Yes, with this, the correct way of writing is also very much important. That will be discussed in due course. Same way, father figure, that is male, elderly people's support. everyone faces elderly people. Elderly male is nothing but your support of father figure, that is blessings, along with the action plan. So if action plan is fully supported by surrounding, naturally product benefit will be better established, and on regular basis return will be better, and finally self name becomes a beneficiary. So person can enjoy his life in a better way using or practicing correct way of signature in life. Next, yes, we'll be taking individual signature. As we last time discussed, there are around 78 types of permutation combination of signature. In this combination as UTH, units, tens and hundred, so that we will be discussing in our next sessions. Accordingly, we'll take next sessions. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.